Should an emergency occur on campus, the following lines of communication will be used: website, social media, email, and text alerts. Go to UM-Dearborn Connect and sign up to receive these emergency alerts.
Hi, my name is Kevin Williams and I'm the Chief of Police here at the University of Michigan-Dearborn. Campus safety is a high priority and in fact it's everyone's responsibility. Knowing what to do in an emergency may save someone's life and possibly your own. That's why we ask that you program the following number into your list of contacts. Area code 313-593-5333. But remember, in an emergency, always dial 911. On behalf of the University of Michigan-Dearborn, we thank you for watching this presentation.